beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making a powerful hair cream for our hair. If you're not familiar with this fruit is actually called avocado. People eat it, people use it to eat bread. Right, yes, because I really don't like the taste though. So for this video, or for this tutorial, we're making hair cream. Now, avocado is actually very good for your hair. It is rich in biotin. If your hair is breaking excessively, it might be that your hair is actually low in biotin and you need to do something about it. Now, if your hair is low in biotin, it actually affects the rate at which your hair grow and actually increase the rate at which your hair break and shed. Yes, our hair break and shed, but if it becomes excessive, my dear, your hair will not grow. The growth of your hair will be slow. Shey you get? So avocado is actually very good to grow your hair long and thick. Not just that, it actually helps to moisturize your hair properly, to moisturize your hair, to keep your hair moisturized. Now you notice that I removed this. Is Yes, that's the seed. Agric student, yes, that's the seed. So we are only going to use the flesh. Just scoop out the flesh out of the outer part. Now please note that the avocado that I'm using is not too soft and not too hard. Do you get? So that's just it. That's just it. Don't use the one that is too hard. It will actually be very difficult for you to use, for you to work with. And also make sure it is ripe. So when it is ripe, that is when you should use your avocado. So you get. Don't use so rotten avocado. Do you understand? So I mixed it up thoroughly. Now if you have a blender or a mixer, you can actually not use your hand to stir it, but if you don't, you can just work with how I am using it. Actually use the blender at some point. So this is shea butter. Now if you don't know shea butter is just like a cream. Yes, you can actually use shea butter separately. Shea butter is very good to moisturize your hair. Like, it moisturize your hair so well. Like, I love shea butter for my hair. If you don't know, they use it for the skin as well. If I don't have cream and my skin is actually very dry, it is good I use it on my skin. So imagine now using it for your hair. If your hair is very dry, use it. Now we are going to be using Ayurvedic oil. If you don't know how I made this, you can actually check my channel for it. And like I do say, before you use any Ayurvedic oil, make sure you shake it thoroughly so that everything can mix all together. Sure you understand? Mix it thoroughly so that you know, like, everything can. Do you understand what I'm saying? That is just it. Now after adding that, the next process is the mixing. Like I said before, if you don't have a mixer, or you don't have a blender, or you don't want to even pass through the stress of blender because you're not making a lot of amount, sure you get, you mix it. You can actually mix it thoroughly with your hand. Mix it well, like press and mix, and make sure you mix it thoroughly. If you know about avocado and you've eaten it before, like you've eaten it, let's know in the comment section, because personally I don't like avocado. But for my hair, people will actually think that I love eating avocado, but I use it for my hair. I can use it as a hair mask. I can use it as cream. I can just use it because it's actually rich in protein and it makes your hair very strong. It protects your hair from breaking. Sure you understand? Like, it makes your hair strong. Like, it's just like I feel like, to me, avocado is just like a, let me say, a supplement. Now you don't use supplement when you're like, you use supplement anytime, any day. You don't use supplement when you're sick. You just use it randomly and it is perfect for your hair. That is how avocado is to me. You can just use it randomly. But if you are experiencing excessive breakage. If you're experiencing excessive breakage, your hair is thinning out, your hair is breaking, your hair is not smooth, your hair is dry, my dear, just go in with what's it called, just go in with avocado. Avocado will, like, it will nourish your scalp, it will nourish your hair, it will make your hair like very smooth, very fine and whole. Sure you understand, sure you understand. So I blended it, as you can see. If you have a blender, just blend it. And if you don't, use a mixer. And if you don't, use your hand to just press everything all together, and you are good to go. So after blending, the next process is to scoop it inside a container. You can get any container of your choice. Just make sure the container has a lid, it has a cover. Sure you understand. It has a cover because we are still going to like put it on fire to heat everything up so that everything can mix together. Sure you understand the logic. Do you understand the logic? So this is the outcome of it. Now the next process is just to cover it with a nylon. Please get, so that when you put it on fire, it's not going to like spill. Do you understand? It's not going to spill over. I don't trust that cover. Please don't trust the cover of your lid. Don't trust it. Just put a nylon so that you can avoid story that touches the heart, so that water will not enter. Now when water enters, like it will get spot. Of course, there is water in avocado, but you can still work your way around it. So you get, so put it on fire just the way I did by hand. You are good to go. Now this is the result of what I got after eating everything up. Can you see how it looks? Can you see how it looks? So in this process, I'm going to add some things to it. Now for it not to get go bad or get spot, I'm going to go in with a preservative, because this mixture is actually made up of water and oil. Your avocado, it has water in it, it has oil. Your shea butter, of course, it will not get spot, but because of that avocado in it, we are going to add preservative to it. Now if you don't have a preservative, that means you have to put it inside fridge. And also note that you had 2% your of your quantity. Now if you are working with 100 kg, or let me say 50 gram or something, to be 2% of 50 grams. So that is how to add preservative to anything. Sure you get. Then mix everything together, like mix everything together. It's going to actually still thicken up, but because we just like put it out of fire, sure you get, so everything is still good, like taking up in due time. So added perfume oil to it so that I can get that scent. Sure you understand, that scent. So I don't want to be smelling of avocado, I want to smell of like heaven. And that is just mix everything together and just set it aside. You can leave it for 48 hours before you use it, and you're good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is me saying that please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much.